Question 2. By using the vertical line test, determine whether the following graphs are functions. Okay, so a vertical line test will tell us how many images each object has. So if we zoom in here, we can see when x is this, it has 3 different images. So this is one, this is one, too many, because one object has 3 images, so this is not a function. Okay, the vertical line test can only cut at one point. In this case, it cuts at 3 points, so not a function. Okay, let's drag this vertical line test here. Same thing, this vertical line now cuts at 2 points throughout the whole circle, so it is not a function. Let's drag this vertical line here. On this graph, the vertical line only cuts at 1 point. If we drag it here, it still cuts at only 1 point. We drag it here, it still only cuts at 1 point. So this is a function. Okay, the vertical line test must only cut at 1 point, so that if it's a function, the vertical line test can only cut at 1 point. If it cuts at more than 1 point, it's not a function.